I'd like to talk about the lifespan of the skin units and lace units, especially front lace units. So every client will ask you this question: how long it will last for me? So in the same question you have your response. It's totally personal. You can't give the client any number of months, any 6, 5, 4, 1 year. You can't do this. I do not recommend you. Why? Because it's totally personal. It depends on personal care, hydration, maintenance period. So the skin unit, on our experience, lasts something about between 3 months if the care is awful, up to 8 months if the care is great. So something like that, you can direct your client's attention to the importance of care, importance of hydration, maintenance time. It depends on factors, something like climate and so on. Maintenance period depends on some factors as climate, as the humidity of the country you live, the tape or the type of adhesion you use. So you can direct your client's attention to these factors and he will decide if it's suitable for him or not. What can we mention about our skin units or polyurethane units? The first impression of our clients that the thicker the skin is, the longest lifespan it has, okay? Why so? Because it has resistance, it's stretching pretty hard, and we recommend to our clients that the next thing. If you want an extreme realism, if you want extreme naturality on the front line, you should use 0.3 and 0.6 skin units. But they are not so resistant, and in our experience, in my experience as a professional in this industry, the 0.08 up to 10 millimeters is the perfect unit to install to our first client as his first hair unit, because it's resistant. It fully covers with tape or adhesive, so the client don't feel it at all. So it looks natural, it feels natural, and it's the best unit you can ever put for the first unit of our client. So let's move on to our front lace piece. What is about its lifespan? We here in El Russo studio, we love this piece because of its realism, its naturality on the front line and on the middle part, but it has a little less lifespan. I'm telling you based on my experience and experience of my clients here in Bolivia. Because the front part is so natural, it also has a less lifespan, and the reason of it is the injection of hair or the type of ventilation. You can see more videos about the hair ventilation to the bases on the YouTube channel of New Times Hair, so you can know more about it. But as a first client's hairpiece, I'm not recommending you to choose this piece. This piece in particular is the inlays, so I always recommend to start with the full skin base, even if it's less natural on the front line. But past 6 months, 8 months, you can change, or you can add on the 3rd month, for instance, you can add the second piece, because it's always benefits our client to have 2 hair pieces, so he can play with hairstyles, he can play with colors, he can prolong, he can help to each of his hair pieces lasts longer. So the first and the most important thing you should let your client understand is the lifespan of his hair system depends totally on his care, on his type of brushing, on his hydration, period of maintenance, lifestyle, and so on. So communicate with your client, let him know these factors, make a follow-up, call him every time he needs to do the maintenance, and so your client will be happy and then you will be happy too. So I'm Dan El Russo. We'll see you on the next episode with New Times here.